Change Safari background on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can change your Safari background on iPhone in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're simply going to go over to your Safari. And once you go over to your Safari, you're going to come down here where it says edit. And once you go over to edit, here you can see it gives you the option to change your background image. Now you can add your very own images as well from your phone, or what you can do is you can just choose these images from here. So let's say I want to go ahead with this image over here, okay? And we close it up and look at that. Now my Safari background has been changed. So that is how you can change your Safari background on iPhone in the easiest and most simplest way. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.